Hey guys, so today I am bringing you this beautiful yellow smoky eye. It's like a full face centered around this eye look. It's like literally the most perfect summer makeup look ever. I love it. And I love the way that it all turned out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. Okay, so I already did one eye off camera and I'm gonna show you guys it on this eye. I already primed my eyelid with both eyelids with the Profusion Pigment Base eyeshadow primer, just to let you guys know. And I'm going to start off by using the palette I'm gonna use today is the Cara Beauty You Had Me at Aloha palette. And I'm going to start off, I'm going to be kind of going across this line here. I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is called Bonjour. It's like a nice, it's like a yellow, but it's not as bright as this lemonade shade next to it, which is what I'll be putting on the lid. But I'm going to take that Bonjour color with the AOA Studio E127 brush. And I'm just going to blend that in my crease. As like the starter blender color. I've always wanted to do a nice yellow smoky eye. Yellow and brown smoky eye, but I haven't ever done it. And I was like, let me go ahead and do it, because now I have this wonderful palette of pastels that I can use to create it. And then all I need is a brown and it'll be perfect. I'm gonna go in with Laguna, which is this like orangey color. Like a yellow, it's leaning a little more yellowy of an orange, but it's a really nice color. And I'm taking the AOA E129 brush and just blending that in the crease as well. I'm going to take this Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous eyeshadow palette. And I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. It's very loved, like pretty much all of them I've hit pan on. I'm going to take the shade Smooth Criminal and I'm going to just put, I'm going to use the AOA Studio E132 with that. And just put that on the very outer corner. And blending it somewhat into the crease and onto the outer lid. Kind of putting it right next to that orangey color on the outer lid. Okay, and then I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and I'm going to put that all over my lid and in the inner corner. I'm going to take my Morphe M421 brush and I'm going to take the shade Lemonade right here, which is a beautiful bright neon yellow, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I'm gonna take some of Laguna, which is that orange, and I'm just gonna lightly, that's not lightly, I'm gonna tap that all over, or not all over, I'm gonna tap that on this outer corner of the yellow, like this outer lid area with this orange, just to help give it a nice gradient effect into the brown, and then softly blend that brown over top of the orange, just to help it all blend in nicely. Okay, so I highlighted my inner corner with the color VIP from this Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and the Brow Bone as well, to give us a beautiful white highlight for this look. And now I'm going to move on to my face makeup. I'm gonna use my Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray my face with this before my makeup. I'm gonna go in with, to smooth the skin first, with my Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer, just to fill in the pores and help give us a smooth face. And then I'll go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. So then I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, about 2 pumps of that, and dot that all over my face. And then I'm gonna blend that out with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. And then I'm gonna take my NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum, and I'm gonna put that on my under eyes and on my T-zone area. And then I'm gonna put the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on all of my acne spots, because this is like super duper full coverage and it lasts a pretty long time. And then I'm gonna blend out the under eyes first with my sponge. And then I'm gonna do cream, like liquid bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Hard Candy Face Off Bronzer in the shade Honey Glaze. It's a beautiful warm shade, and I feel like it's perfect for today's look. And I'm gonna take some of that on my cheeks. It's a pretty nice applicator. I did kind of like a review on this and tried it out in my last video, and I really, really love it. It gives a nice, beautiful, dewy finish. It blends out in seconds, especially if you have like a dewy finish foundation and concealer on. It's like absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna use, just to stick with the theme of today's look, I'm gonna use this Rare Beauty blush in the shade Peace, which is a beautiful, like, kind of orangey color. It's like a coral shade, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna put a couple dots of that and blend that out with my sponge. And then I'm going to set my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm going to actually use a powder puff to apply it this time. Okay, so I love the way my base is looking right now. I'm going to bronze my face with my Physicians Formula Matte Monoi Butter Bronzer. This is the warmest bronzer that I have in my collection. I absolutely love it, and I'm using my Morphe JH02 brush just to bronze up my skin. And then I'm gonna contour a little bit with my Covergirl Chocoholic contour palette. I'm just gonna use that middle color. And I'm gonna blush up my cheeks a little bit. I'm gonna use the Essence The Blush in the shade Bespoke. It's more of a bronzy blush. I don't know. But it's got nice little shimmers in it to help give a little bit of glow to the skin, because my face is looking a little bit matte right now and not very glowy or anything. To finish it off, I'm going to use some highlight, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. contour palette in this shade right here. It's a really nice natural highlight. It gives you that glow from within kind of look, which I really love. Okay, so then I just quickly did my brows off camera, and now I'm going to set my base with my Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray once again. So then I am going to use the NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in the shade Pure White on my waterline, just to brighten up my eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler and use my e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. Okay, so then I'm going to do a thin line with my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black, and I'm gonna use my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. So I actually was able to do my lashes really nicely. I wasn't expecting to. I normally have a lot of trouble with it, but I was actually able to do it pretty good today. So now to finish off the look, I'm just going to do my lips, and I'm going to use the Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. It's just a nice brown, like warm brown kind of color. And I'm gonna line my lips with that. Okay, so I quickly took a little break to let my camera charge, and I did my hair. But to finish off the lips, because my camera was literally gonna die on me, but to finish off the lips, I'm gonna use my this e.l.f. O Satin Lipstick, I think is what it's called, in the shade Hustle, which is like the perfect yellowy nude shade. And I'm gonna put this on top of that lip liner. And to top that off, I'm gonna use a gloss today, and I'm gonna use the NYX This Is Milky gloss in the shade Milk and Honey, which is the perfect lip gloss for today's look. It's super warm. It's a nice warm toned gloss, which is perfect for this. This is the finished makeup look here. Super pretty. I love the way that this turned out. I'm really happy with this. It was exactly how I wanted it to turn out, so it was perfect. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.